So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will cover our syllabus and important topic for innovation, business model and entrepreneurship. In this video, we will discuss about our syllabus and most important topics. So, let's discuss about our official syllabus. So, week first, you have to study about analyzing the current business scenario, innovation and creativity, and introduction, innovation in current environment, types of innovation, school of innovation. So these topics are related to week first, and in week second, you have to study about challenges of innovation, steps of innovation management, idea management system, divergent versus convergent thinking, design thinking, and entrepreneurship. And in week third, you have to study about experimentation in innovation management, idea championship, participation for innovation, co-creation for innovation, prototyping to incubation. These topics are related to week third, and week fourth is what is business model, who is entrepreneur, social entrepreneurship, blue ocean strategy first, blue ocean strategy second. So these topics related to week fourth, and in week fifth you have to study about marketing of innovation, technology innovation process, technological innovation management planning, technological innovation management strategies, and last is technology forecasting. So these topics are related to week 5th, and the week 6th is sustainability, innovation and entrepreneurship, innovation sustainable conditions, innovation context and patterns, SMEs strategy involvement in sustainable development, exploration of business model for material efficiency service. And the week 7th is management of innovation, creation of IPR, management of innovation, creation of IPR, type of IPR, patents and copyright, patent in India. And in week 8, you have to study about business models and value proposition, business model failure, such that reasons and remedies. And in incubator, you have to study about business versus technology, managing investor for innovation, future markets and innovation needs for India. So these are the official syllabus for our innovation business model and entrepreneurship course. And now let's discuss about our high importance topics. So let's discuss about our high importance topic. So the first topic is fundamental of innovation. In fundamental of innovation, you have to study about core concepts, definitions, types, myths. So you have to study about the core concept of fundamental of innovation and its definitions and its types and myths. And in second, the innovation process and management. So you have to study about the innovation process and management, and in innovation process and management you have to study about their steps, challenges, idea management and experimentation. And third is creative and design thinking. So in creative and design thinking you have to study about divergent versus convergent thinking, design thinking principles. And in fourth, business models. So in business models you have to study about definition, their examples like Uber, blue ocean strategy. And the fifth is intellectual property, IPR, patents, copyright, WIPO. So these are the most important topics of our innovation business model and entrepreneurship. So let's discuss about our key takeaways for your preparation. So the first is master the core definition. So you have to master the core definition. It ensures you have a strong grasp of the fundamental definition of innovation versus invention, entrepreneurship, business model, and social entrepreneurship. And now second is focus on thinking frameworks. So you have to focus on thinking frameworks. Be be thoroughly prepared to explain and differentiate between divergent and convergent thinking. Understand the principle of design thinking, especially empathy. And the third is become proficient in blue ocean strategy. So in blue ocean strategy, it is the highlighted topic. You have to know its core idea, the four action framework, and be able to identify examples. And fourth is drill down on IPR, especially patents. The week 7 IPR section is critical. Memorize the key facts about patents, three conditions, 20-year term, territorial, and copyrights automatic. Know what WIPO is. And the fifth is understand the innovation process. So be familiar with the steps of innovation management, the role of an idea champion, and the value of experimentation. And last one is learn key examples. Remember the case studies used, such as Uber's business model, Grameen Bank, and Cirque du Soleil. So thank you friends for watching our syllabus and important topics for innovation business model and entrepreneurship. And now we will meet in our mock test.